Okay, hello Finxters. In this video, we are going to install PyCharm in Windows. So without further delay, let us begin our installation. Firstly, you need to Google PyCharm and move into the first link that's available. Now, as I mentioned before, PyCharm was developed by the company known as JetBrains. So as you can see, this is their website. Now let's move on to the download section, and we have our download page. Now as you can see, we have couple of editions, professional and community. We are going to download the community edition because we don't really need the professional edition. It is more for people working together in projects. However, if you are using it for personal use, then community version is good enough. Also, you can download it for Mac and Linux depending on the operating system that you are using. Since we are on Windows in this machine, so I'm going to download PyCharm for Windows. So let's begin the download. And as soon as you click on the download button, you get this prompt and then you have to begin your download. Now as you can see, I have already downloaded PyCharm, so I'm not going to download it again. But in your case, you have to download it again by clicking on the save button. I'm cancelling it because I have already downloaded it. Now that we are done downloading, let us begin our installation. So we have our executable file and we are going to use it for our installation. Follow the steps along. Destination folder is the place where you want to install PyCharm. So I'll keep it default. It says it is not empty. Please select an empty folder. Okay, let me change the location. Maybe I'll make a new folder by the name PyCharm. Okay, next I like to add a 64-bit launcher, and that's it. Install. Now the installation might take some time, so I'll be right back once this step is done, and I'll guide you through the next steps. Now we have finished our installation. Let's click on the finish button, and as you can see, PyCharm is opening up. So initially this might take some time. So it asks me import PyCharm settings. I do not want to import any settings as of now because this is the first time that I'm opening up PyCharm. Now you can see we have the option to select or set our UI. So I'll keep it dark or the Darkula theme. I'll skip the remaining steps as of now and keep the defaults. And there we go. We have successfully installed PyCharm and configured the settings. Now in the next video, we are going to have a look at how to create a new project and then work with it. That was all for this video. If you have time, please dive into the next video and let's learn together how to create a new project using PyCharm.